Hey guys, we are still on quiz 1.03. We are looking at example 3. Figures shown are rectangular prism again. Now we're finding which edges are perpendicular to dy. Perpendicular, not parallel. So let's mark dy. And then we're going to mark the ones that are perpendicular. We'll put those in yellow. So perpendicular are going to make a 90 degree. So they have to run these. Dy is running horizontally. So we're looking for lines that run vertically or up and down. So the lines that would be perpendicular are, let's see here, DK, YH, BM, PA. All of those lines run perpendicular to line dy, or line segment dy. Notice there's no arrows on there, so line segment dy.